The Maya civilization refers to a pre-Columbian Mesoamerican civilization that existed in what is now known as the southern regions of Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, and El Salvador. The Maya civilization was one of the most advanced and sophisticated civilizations of its time, thriving from approximately 2000 BCE to the 16th century CE. The Maya civilization is renowned for its achievements in various fields, including architecture, mathematics, astronomy, writing systems, art, and agriculture. They built impressive cities with large ceremonial centers, pyramids, and observatories. Some notable Maya cities include Tikal, Chichen Itza, Palenque, and Copan. The Maya developed a complex writing system known as hieroglyphics, which was used to record historical events, rituals, and astronomical observations. They also had a highly accurate calendar system and made significant contributions to mathematics, including the concept of zero. The Maya were organized into city-states with ruling elites, and their society was stratified. They had a polytheistic religion, worshipping numerous gods associated with natural elements and celestial bodies. Rituals, ceremonies, and sacrifices played a significant role in their religious practices. Around the 9th century CE, many Maya cities experienced a decline and were abandoned. The exact reasons for the decline are still debated among scholars and could include factors such as environmental degradation, warfare, political instability, or social unrest. However, it's important to note that Maya civilization was not completely eradicated, and many Maya communities and descendants continue to thrive in the region today, preserving their culture, language, and traditions.